What up, guys? We're back again. We're currently checking NAS100. Alright, let us go to weekly. Let us go to daily and see what's happening on daily. Okay, here's what's happening on daily. What I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing this daily bearish FEG right here. This fair value gap right here. But hey guys, let us go to weekly too. I wanna see something here. Okay, I don't love the daily fair value gap, guys, because price has recently sold from this weekly fair value gap right here, as you can see. So I highly doubt that this daily fair value gap is gonna hold price down. So I'm not trusting that price is gonna be bearish on Nasdaq. Let us go back to daily. Alright guys, I'm not trusting this, guys. Let me remove this. I'm gonna start looking for buying setups, because on bearish I highly doubt that price is gonna be bearish on Nasdaq. I also saw a post from Elon Musk saying they've delivered, I think, around 1 million Tesla cars. So as you can know, fundamentals are important when it comes to Nasdaq. Okay, there's this fair value gap right here, bullish fair value gap. Okay, and this, okay, let us go to daily and see what's happening. Today it won't be easy like the other weeks, guys. The other weeks we were only taking less than 5 minutes to analyze Nasdaq, but this week it's it has some challenges. Okay, but let us just go to weekly, because we're just looking for what's gonna happen this week. Okay, here's weekly time frame. Let us try to zoom in price. Okay, I'm seeing this here, guys. Let me zoom. I'm seeing this weekly bullish FEG right here, fair value gap. FEG, guys, means fair value gap. But I think you all know by now. Okay. Alright. Let us write it. Okay, our first target could be this one right here. But let us go into depth, because we can't just say we're gonna be buying right here. We need to see some liquidity here, some left liquidity here, so that we can be positive that price is gonna come back there. It's gonna be bullish. Okay, let us go to 4 hour. I'm bullish here, guys. I won't lie to you. Price right now is going to sell, guys. It's going to sell to take out these equal lows right here. It's gonna be acting like inducement right here. Price is gonna come here like this. Okay, let me illustrate it with using this trend line. It's gonna come here to take out these equal lows right here, then retrace to our first target right here. I don't know how many pips it's this. Let me check. I forgot this. That's 596 pips. This setup is going to work this week, guys. This is what I have in mind. I'm not going to go further with this, but this setup, it is what it is, guys. This setup right here, this is what I'm currently looking at when it comes to Nasdaq. Price is going to set to take out this equal loss ratio. Price is driven by liquidity, guys, so it will come here, take out this equal loss ratio, then start being bullish. And remember, guys, not everything it's 100% here, guys, so I may be wrong, but you can also share your thoughts on this one. Okay, let us check the pound versus the dollar right now. I think we're done here. Pretty simple, guys. I thought it was going to take me more than 10 minutes, but that daily bearish FEG, it's not going to work, guys. I highly doubt. Price is coming here. It's coming for this high, for this swing high. But for now, let us focus on this first target. But the real target that it's coming for is this one right here. Let's just go to weekly. This is our setup. Let's see if this week we've got let's check monthly, guys. Let's check month before we close everything up. Month. You see this order block right here? It's still in power, guys. That's why I say price is coming for that swing high right here. Let us do it like this. Then go to weekly and see what's inside the order block. Yeah, this order block, guys, it's in power. That's why this swing high right here, price is going to take up the swing high, but we'll see when days goes on. For now, let us focus on this setup only, guys. Let us not confuse ourselves. I don't trade the fundamentals, guys. The fundamental news, I'm not a fundamental trader, so when there are news, I usually stay away from the markets. Yeah, guys, and I decided to add all the best that I trade in one video, not make separate videos. Alright, guys, if this setup goes our way, we can catch around 300 to 400 pips. We can be good. Alright, let us check the power. Okay, guys, we are currently looking at the British pound versus the US dollar. Okay, let me see what I'm currently seeing right here. I'm seeing this fair value gap right here, weekly bearish fair value gap. Let us zoom in. We need to always make these things clean, guys, because it can confuse you. As you can see, price hasn't touched the weekly fair value gap right here. Okay, This is a bias for this week, guys. And this could, I don't know how fast price can be, but if price can be fast from tomorrow and Wednesday, it could be all done in a matter of 2 days. This is our target right here. First target. Stop liquidity. You can call it stop liquidity if you like. Okay. Okay, this is what we are looking at. So our one price to penetrate this weekly bearish FEG like this. Let me use this color. Then reverse to this stop liquidity right here. Let us go to 4H. There's a reason why I'm using this low right here, guys. I'm gonna tell you. Now let us just delete these things. These ones. Check one out. We've got beautiful equal lows right here, relative lows right here. Let's check here too. Oh, and also this one, guys. This is beautiful, guys. We've got a clean, but let me, okay, this can't be your first target, guys, right here. Let us just use this low right here and write first target. Like this. This equal lows right here, it's not going to be visible on when you're using 4 hour. So we're going to use this low only. Let us go to 4A so that you can see what I'm talking about. I'm trying to make these videos not too long as always, guys. This one is clear, guys. This one here, it's clear. Okay, that's why I say you must use this one, this low right here, because it's not visible on the other time frames. But we already saw that they're equal lows right there. Let us check on weekly. Okay, yeah, right here. This is the first target, the second target, high probability. They are all high probability targets, guys. Let us go back to 4H. Price hasn't touched the weekly fair value gap right here. I hate it when price doesn't touch the weekly fair value gap, then it starts selling. because you are not sure if you're going to join the sale. Maybe it's gonna come back and take you. I just hate that, guys. Otherwise, here what we're expecting, guys. After price takes out this the last sell stop liquidity, it's gonna reverse, guys. We are still bullish on the pound dollar, but right now let us stick to this, guys. So let us wait for price to penetrate the weekly fair value gap, then we're done. Let us check daily on what's happening on daily. Okay, here's daily. Okay, I also love daily, guys. Look how beautiful daily is. And price hasn't penetrated this one, so I think I'm gonna use daily, guys, because you know why? When I use, how can I put this? When I use what am I doing? When I use weekly time frame, it means that I have to wait for a 4-hour time frame to create a market structure shift before I could get a sell model set up. So when I'm using 1 hour is very fast to make a setup. Okay. Since we have changed that, we are using now the daily fair value gap, we can use the 1 hour time frame now. So which means we can use this low right here, this equal lows right here. We couldn't use the H1, guys. You know, guys, I'm following the rules when it comes to time frame alignment, guys. When I'm using the weekly time frame, it means that I must go to 4H to start looking for setups, intermediate setups. When I'm using daily, I will use H1. When I'm using monthly, I will use daily. So it goes on. When it's 4 hour, I'm gonna use 15 minutes. Okay, guys, here we go. This is what we're expecting for this week. Okay, let me just show something like this right here, because I'll be happy if price does something like this, guys. Something like this. Something like this, guys. I'll be very happy, guys, if something like this happens. Okay, guys, let us check for the guest. Let us check a guest. Our guest today. Our guest today will be the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Okay, let us see. Okay, guys, let us see what we're currently looking at right here. Let us just go to weekly and be over with this thing. Okay, on weekly we've got something like this. Price failed to take up this high, guys. As you can see, the previous high of this week candle, guys, it failed to do so. So that's a CRT, guys. It managed to take up this external liquidity right here. Okay, it took up the liquidity right here, but it failed to close above it. So if it failed to close above it, it shows signs of weakness of the bullishness. So we may expect price to reverse right here. Let us go to daily and see what may lead to this bearishness. Okay. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, guys, let us just stick to this one. price failed to take up this high right here. It did to cut the high, but it failed to close above it. If it closed above it, I will be bullish. So when it's like this, I'm bearish, guys. Okay, let me draw a line right here to see something. Okay. Okay, guys. CRT. It's candle range theory. Okay, now let us go to 4H. Okay, when we go to 4R, we've got something beautiful, guys. Beautiful, guys. I mentioned earlier, guys, when you go from weekly, you go to 4H. Okay, as you know, guys, I love looking for equal lows, equal highs, because I know price will definitely come for it. Okay, let us zoom in so that we can get a better picture of this. I love this one, guys. This one, I love it. Let us change the color here. Okay, right here. So, I love this, guys. I love this. I won't lie to you. Okay, let us go back to weekly. Even on weekly, guys, if you can look at these candles right here, these are relative equal lows, guys. Relative. Let us go to daily and see if you're gonna still see the same thing. Guys, yeah, price is definitely going to come and hunt this, guys. This sell side right here. Alright, guys, I'm trusting this setup. But we don't control the market, guys. We may be wrong, but we need to stay positive at all times. So stop liquidity. Okay, we've got something like this. We've got something like this. Okay. This is our setup right here. Guys, I really don't like saying you must sell here, buy here. So, but what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to start looking for sales when price penetrates this 4H fair value gap right here. When price penetrates here, I'm gonna start looking for it. Do you know what else am I seeing? What do you see, guys? Tell me. I'm also seeing this. What's this, guys? What's this, guys? It's a breaker block, guys, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to stick with the bearish fair value gap because it's one of the same thing. That breaker block is just another confluence. So it's going to be like this. And this is what I'm expecting, guys. This week, this is what I'm expecting. The way things are going, this setup is going to be activated maybe later today. Yeah, then tomorrow we can start looking for intermediate setup. Okay, I think I'm done, guys. Thank you.